Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 2. So, to solve this, I'm going to first start by dividing both sides by x to the power of 2. So then these two cancel out to get 1, and I get x to the power of x over x to the power of 2 is equal to 1. Now, I could use an important property of exponents that states that if I have something in the form a to the power of m minus a to the power of n, this is equal to, if I have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So in this case, I have x to the power of x over x to the power of 2, and it's going to equal x to the power of x minus 2, which is equal to 1. Now, I'm going to take the ln, or natural log, on both sides. So I get ln x to the power of x minus 2 is equal to ln 1. Now, if I have something in the form ln a to the power of b, I can move this exponent b to the front, so this turns to b times ln a. So in this case, I can move x minus 2 to the front. So now I get x minus 2 times ln x is equal to ln 1. Now, if you didn't already know, ln 1 is actually equal to 0. So I get x minus 2 times ln x is equal to 0. And now I basically have two different equations. My first equation is x minus 2 equals 0. And my second equation is ln of x equals 0. So let's solve the first equation because it's the easiest. All I have to do is add 2 on both sides, and I get x is equal to 2. So this is one solution. And for ln x equals 0, to solve this, I'm going to take e to the power of both sides. So I get e to the power of ln x is equal to e to the power of 0. E and ln cancel out, so I get x is equal to e to the power of 0, which is 1. So my two solutions to this equation are x equals 2 and x equals 1. Now, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this to any of your friends and family. Thank you. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x to the power of 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. So to solve this, I'm going to first rewrite 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 as 2 to the power of 4, because 2 squared is 4, and 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So this is all equal to 16. Now from here, I'm going to write 16 as the 16th root of 16 to the power of 16. And this is the same thing as the 16th root of 16 to the power of the 16th root of 16, because 16 is the same thing as the 16th root to the power of 16 to the power of 16. Now, notice how this is in the form x to the power of x to the power of 16 is equal to the 16th power of 16 to the power of the 16th power of 16 to the power of 16, meaning x is equal to the 16th root of 16. Now, I can simplify this a little bit. The 16th root of 16 is the same thing as 16 to the power of 1 over 16. And 16 is also the same thing as 2 to the power of 4. So I get 2 to the power of 4 over 16, which is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 4, which is equal to the 4th root of 2. So this is my answer.